Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Name of the chapter is A Square and a Cube. The chapter starts with a puzzle. Let us try to solve the puzzle first. Queen Ratna Manjari possessed a fortune of precious stones. She wanted to give all her wealth to her son. So, in her will, she left a puzzle as her son knew how to solve puzzles. The will declared that whoever solved the puzzle first would inherit the entire treasure. But if everyone solved together, the treasure would be divided equally. The minister led all 100 people into a secret room containing 100 mysterious lockers. The rules explained: Person 1 can open every locker. Person 2 can toggle every second locker. Here, toggle means if the locker is open, the person can close it, and if the locker is closed, then the person can open it. Similarly, person number 3 can toggle every third locker, and person number 4 can toggle every fourth locker. This rule continues until 100 people have taken their turn. In the end, some lockers will remain open and the open lockers will reveal the solution of the puzzle. Now, let us solve the puzzle. Person number 1 opens every locker. Person number 2 toggles every second locker. That means if the locker is open, person number 2 will close it, and if the locker is closed, then person number 2 will open it. Person number 3 toggles every third locker, and similarly person number 4 toggles every fourth locker, and this continues until all 100 get their turn. So person number 1 can open locker number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this up to 100. Means he or she can open all the lockers. Person number 2 can toggle locker number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this it continues. Person number 3 can toggle locker number 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 like this it continues. Person number 4 can toggle locker number 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 like this it continues. Here we can see a pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these are multiples of 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, all these are multiples of 2. Similarly, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, all these are multiples of 3. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, all these are multiples of 4. Locker number 1 can be opened by person 1. Locker number 2 can be toggled by person number 1. and person number 2. Locker number 3 can be toggled by person number 1 and person number 3. Locker number 4 can be toggled by person number 1, person number 2 and person number 4. Locker number 5 can be toggled by person number 1 and person number 5. Locker number 6 can be toggled by person number 1, 2, 3 and 6. And 7 can be toggled by person number 1 and 7. In the same way, 8 can be toggled by person number 1, 2, 4 and 8. Locker number 9 can be toggled by person number 1, 3 and 9. And locker number 10 can be toggled by person number 1, 2, 5 and 10. And all these are factors. Here we can see locker number 1 is toggled once. That means it is open. Locker number 2 is toggled twice. That means at first it was open and then it was closed. Then locker number 3 is toggled twice. So first opened and then closed. So finally it's closed now. Locker number 4 is toggled thrice. That means first it was open, then closed, then again open. So finally it's open. If a locker number is toggled even number of times, then it's understood it's closed. For example, if it is toggled 2 times, first open, then close. So finally it's closed. If it is toggled 4 times, so first open, then close, then open, then close. So finally it's closed. And if a locker number is toggled odd number of times, that means it's open. And here locker number 1, locker number 4 and locker number 9 is toggled odd number of times. So these lockers are open. Here also we can see a pattern. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9. Here number is multiplied to itself, and these are called square numbers, or we can say squares. And in this chapter we are going to read about squares. If we'll continue the pattern, the next open locker is 4 into 4, 16. Then the next one is 5 into 5, 25. 6 into 6, 36. The next is 7 into 7, 49. The next locker is 8 into 8, 64. Next 9 into 9, 81. And 10 into 10, 100. So the locker number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100 remains open in the end. And these locker numbers are solution to our puzzle. Next, it is also asked to find passcode. And the passcode consists of first 5 locker numbers that were touched exactly twice. Means exactly 2 times. Exactly twice means it's having 2 factors, and if a number is having 2 factors, then it is a prime number. So the first 5 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. That means the passcode is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. This is all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Let us meet in the next video.